subscribe to Android Discovery Channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. boAt has just announced the launch in India of its latest Airdopes 501 ANC TWS Earbuds for Rs. $2,499, $34. The new earbuds are affordable and also feature some of boAt's proprietary technologies like the bionic engine and sonic technology, Beast, and the hybrid active noise cancellation technology. The new boAt Airdopes 501 are truly wireless earbuds with Bluetooth 5.2 support. Several other features for the device yield a very impressive sound output and comfortable use for extended periods. The earbuds themselves can offer 5 hours of listening time on a full charge, but this is massively increased with the USB-C charging case, which guarantees 28 hours of playback. 5 minutes of charging the wireless earbuds will give up to 1 hour of playback. The new boAt Airdopes 501 ANC TWS Earbuds are available via Amazon India and boAt's official website. The TWS earbuds are compact, ergonomically designed, stylish, and budget-friendly. The company will expect a decent reception in the market for its new earbuds. Guys, I hope you liked my video. If you really liked this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and share the video. Thank you.